Hello, Ready Welder. I'm Chief Warrant Officer 3 Wayne Glass of the United States Army, Fort Irwin, California. As promised, I evaluated your product. And before I show you my findings out in the shop, let me tell you a little bit about myself and how I came to it. As a U.S. Army Allied Trades Technician, welding and machine shop operations on the battlefield are my responsibility. And I accomplish this task by arming my sergeants and my soldiers with what they need to succeed. Whether it's equipment or skills, I make sure they have it. I also advise my superiors on maintenance issues and how to manage them and deal with them. Some time ago, I began looking for a lightweight, rugged welding solution for the battlefield. Something that could handle anything from thin sheet metal all the way up through heavy aluminum repairs. A friend of mine had purchased the Ready Welder off a Snap-on dealer and told me all about it, singing the praises of the Ready Welder. And I got to tell you that initially I was skeptical. How could any welding equipment that draws its power from the military 24-volt vehicle electrical system put out enough juice to weld heavy aluminum? But if you take a closer look at conventional MIG or flux core arc welding, what you'll see is that typically it operates at a voltage around 24 volts and an amperage draw between 200 and 250 amps. All well within the confines of the 24 volt vehicle electrical system and within the capabilities of the Ready Welder. Before we move on out to the shop though, let me show you a few things that really impressed me about your product. First off, there are no rollers or liners to worry about replacing or buying. The only consumables you have, the nozzle and the contact tip, are standard Tweco consumables, purchasable at any welding supply store and already in the Army system. When you look inside this thing, you really see the beauty of simplicity. Again, the wire, a standard wire, nothing proprietary here. I don't have to go back to Ready Welder to buy it, although I certainly can. I can purchase it at any welding supply store, or I can order it through the Army supply system. The wire tension and drive roller mechanism, again, straightforward, simple, and effective. Really a fantastic, durable, simple piece of equipment. And here in just a minute, I'm going to take you out in the shop and show you firsthand what I found side by side with a conventional MIG welding gun and the Ready Welder. You're going to see how they stand toe to toe. Okay folks, tail of the tape. In this corner, the Ready Welder hooked up to a Humvee. In this corner, a $900 spool gun hooked up to a $1,600 MIG welding machine. Let's see how they perform side by side. First, the Ready Welder. See how hot that sounds? Okay folks, now for a $900 spool gun hooked up to a $1,600 three-phase MIG welding power source. Okay, there you have it folks. The Ready Welder versus a $900 spool gun hooked up to a $1,600 welding machine. Virtually no difference in weld quality. The proof, as we say, is in the pudding. Thank you, Ready Welder.